in a hot box. Every day I'll be posted like a mailbox. For you this better know we don't spare our G nights on me. This hoes white as a crack rock. Your case codes like a laptop.
Freaky deaky, huh? Freak ass niggas. Hell no, this shit ass. Hell no, this shit ass. Try again. We got 13 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. You know. Fuck. 13 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. You know. Fuck. 13 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. Y'all already know. Follow my Instagram, TikTok, all this shit gonna be in the bio. You know, let's get back to it.
In this footage, an older woman walks up to her neighbor's door but doesn't ring the doorbell. She just stands there, looking at the door. Upon further examination,
we're not even 9 seconds in, they already on some weird shit.
You can see the woman holding a knife in her hand. Once the woman notices the
we're not even 14 seconds in, and she already got a knife in her hand.
Ring doorbell camera, she looks down at her knife and then back at the door. She then puts the knife in one hand and starts to rock from side to side. The woman seems confused as she looks around and then back at the knife. The person who caught this on camera thinks that the woman may have had dementia and didn't necessarily mean them any harm. After a few minutes of standing there, the woman eventually left.
Not even gonna lie to you, I'm not going outside. And if she try to come inside, she get popped. And that's that.
In this footage, a woman is seen entering her house, but two men were close behind her and rushed into her house to open the door.
Como pra fora. Oh, don't move. Don't scare it.
Oh, you're about to say she didn't even know.
Talking to the woman, and a few seconds later, the man runs away with what appears to be the woman's car keys.
I ain't gonna lie, you still in 2024, you broke. That's broke man activities, cannot lie to you.
Okay.
A man got a text from his neighbor asking if he would go check on his wife because he got an alert of someone at their front door. This is the footage his neighbor sent to him.
That man did all that for no reason, bro. That man all in the camera. Nigga, get your ass up.
In this footage, a woman is seen ringing the doorbell while standing.
Man, hell no. Man, hell no. Man, hell no. Man, hell no. It's only right to shoot her.
Standing there with her mouth wide open. She closes her mouth for a second, but then it opens again. After a few seconds, the woman turns around and walks away.
Don't touch me, bitch. Don't touch me. No.
The homeowner claims they have never seen this woman before and that the woman has never come back to their house. A man woke up in the morning and noticed a Ring doorbell notification from 2:30 a.m. He opened the app and at first he didn't see anything, but as he looked closer, a man was crawling across his yard.
I ain't even see that shit. Nigga, get your ass up. Nah, for real. 2024 and up. Y'all might want to cut that burglary shit out. Boy, the cameras everywhere. You gon' get caught.
This footage shows a trespasser licking a family's
Man, yo, freak ass! Man, no! No!
doorbell. Now, we only have a minute clip of this, but this supposedly went on for around 3 hours.
Why the doorbell though, bro? Why out of everything? Why the doorbell, bro? People put their fingers there. You know how many fingers you just licked?
Saturday morning, this man, who police now identify as Roberto Daniel Arroyo, spent about 3 hours licking and milling around this Salinas yard. The homeowners were out of town at the time, but their kids were home. They didn't the surveillance system notifies them when there's movement out front.
I thought, boy, there's a lot of traffic. I go, 5 o'clock in the morning. My son doesn't get home till 6 o'clock. I go, that's kind of odd. So I started reviewing the videos. So who the heck is that?
Bro, just imagine going on your phone at 5 in the morning seeing somebody lick your fucking doorbell, bro. Hell nah.
This Ring doorbell camera footage shows a masked man at someone's front door. He quickly notices the camera and puts his glove up to it. A few seconds later, he removes his hand from the camera and 2 other masked men are shown. The men seem to be discussing something, then moments later, the masked man covers the camera again. When he removes his hand, we can see the other 2 masked men on the porch, with one of the men holding a weapon. The homeowners say that the robbers tried to break down the door. When the homeowners saw on their security camera what was going on, they called the police. The 3 masked men were gone before police arrived. And apparently, these 3 men also tried to break into another house in the neighborhood.
Boy, people just don't care
This
no
footage
more.
shows a woman in a white dress frantically knocking on someone's door at 4:30 in the morning. The woman appears to be running from someone as she constantly looks behind her. She then sits on the ground and starts to cry, still looking out at the street. She gets up again and continues to try and get the attention of the homeowner.
Bro, the neighbor's right there.
She spots car lights and attempts to hide from them.
Okay, she moving smart. Hiding in plain sight. Why the fuck you get up?
She then makes one more attempt to get the attention of the homeowner before walking to the street to presumably get into a car.
Oh, she trying to set him up. It's an act. Oh, bro, she tried to line him.
The homeowner reported this incident to police and said he didn't want to let her in case she was trying to set him up. Though a Reddit user named Russmaw investigated this incident and said, "I watched the video and did a little investigation. You did the right thing. I'm a former interrogator and the outfit and behavior don't add up. After reviewing and comparing to hair, body, and face structure, I'm pretty sure I've located this person. The woman's name is Krista Nicole Cordeau.
Damn! People gonna do their motherfucking homework. Damn!
Felony criminal warrant for burglary of habitation. She was arrested a few months after this footage was taken.
I knew she was trying to lie on him.
In this footage, a woman walks up to someone's house and rings their doorbell. You can see a man with her walking a bit behind.
Broke people activities, boy.
When the homeowner answers, the woman asks if they have a phone she can use because her car broke down.
Hello, do y'all have a phone I can use? My car broke down, and y'all's the only one that got a light on.
We don't.
When the homeowner says he doesn't have a phone they can use, the man pulls out a gun and rushes towards the door.
You know?
Sorry.
Broke people activities.
This footage shows a woman ringing the doorbell at 1:45 in the morning and creepily standing in front of the camera. After standing there for a few moments with no response from the homeowner, she rings the doorbell again.
It's so cold. Open the door.
With no luck, the woman is seen walking away from the door. The homeowner said that that was the second time that the woman came up to his door. She also attempted to open his garage before coming back for the second time. The homeowner suspected that the woman was on drugs and he never saw her again. This footage shows a random man walking up to a porch, grabbing a pair of sneakers and sniffing them.
Bro,
The
bro, y'all do more weird shit every fucking day. I swear to God.
homeowner says that those were his wife's work shoes and they were left outside to air out. This footage shows a man breaking into a homeowner's car. The homeowner said that there was nothing in the car that was valuable, so the man didn't take anything. But the homeowner said that the man poured a bottle of water into his dashboard and electronics panel in an attempt to destroy the car. In July of 2021, a homeowner in Dallas posted this video from their Ring security camera. The homeowners claim that the camera caught an erratically moving UFO in the sky.
Damn.
One Reddit user disagrees that this is a UFO and says, more than likely a spider web with a small particle reflecting in the camera. Infrared sensors are very susceptible to particle reflections. Another commenter also disagrees and said that that could just be a drone. So what do you guys think? Did this homeowner actually capture footage of a UFO?
No. I don't know. I don't know what the hell it is. But, yeah, go follow my social TikTok. I be live every night. Every day, every night. When I try to, I be trying to be live every day, every night, goddammit. Follow my Instagram. Follow everything in the damn description, goddammit. I'm out.